Experiment 5.1. Aim of the experiment: to demonstrate the process of transpiration in plants. Materials required: 1. A small potted plant. 2. A pot with soil. 3. 2 bell jars. 4. 2 large-sized polythene bags. 5. Thread. 6. Waistline. Procedure: 1. Set up the experiment in an area with adequate sunlight. 2. Take a small potted plant and ensure it is well watered prior to the experiment. 3. Prepare 2 bell jars by removing the bottoms or use wide-mouthed glass jars to create an open top. 4. Take 2 large-sized polythene bags and cut them into rectangular pieces large enough to cover the plant pot completely. 5. Attach 1 polythene bag piece to each bell jar using thread or rubber bands. This will create a sealed environment inside the bell jars. 6. Place the potted plant in the pot with soil, ensuring that the plant is firmly rooted. 7. Carefully cover the potted plant with one of the prepared bell jars, ensuring it is fully sealed at the base using waistline or any other suitable method. 8. Leave the second bell jar uncovered as the control group for comparison. 9. Observe and record the initial conditions of both the covered and uncovered plants, including the moisture level of the soil. Observation: 1. During the experiment, a potted plant is placed inside a bell jar that starts to fog up after a while. 2. Water droplets form in the interior of the bell jar. This phenomenon serves as evidence for the process of transpiration, as there is no other source for the water droplets appearing inside the bell jar except for the plant releasing water vapor. Transpiration is defined as the loss of water from a plant's aerial parts. 3. The uncovered plant, serving as the control group, should not exhibit significant changes in moisture level or the presence of water droplets on the bell jar. Conclusion: the water droplets condensed on the inner wall of the bell jar are released by the plant through transpiration. The only source of water droplets inside the jar is the exposed parts of the plant. Precautions: 1. Water the plant adequately before the experiment to maintain normal transpiration rates and prevent water stress. 2. Use a healthy plant to avoid abnormal transpiration rates. 3. Control the environmental conditions by keeping temperature, humidity and airflow constant. 4. Seal the bell jar tightly with waistline or a suitable method to create an enclosed environment. 5. Include a control group without the bell jar cover for comparison. 6. Observe for an appropriate duration, like 24 hours, to capture significant changes in transpiration. 7. Use accurate tools, such as a soil moisture meter, to measure soil moisture levels.